Feeling tired and fatigued? You're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, it's common to experience low energy levels. But don't worry, we've got you covered. Follow these simple tips to banish tiredness and regain your energy. Step 1. Hydrate. Start your day by drinking a glass of water. Dehydration can cause fatigue, so staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining energy levels throughout the day. Step 2. Get moving. Physical activity is a natural energy booster. Take a brisk walk. Do some stretching exercises. Or even dance to your favorite music. Just get your body moving and watch your energy soar. Step 3. Fuel your body with nutritious foods. Opt for a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. These foods provide the vitamins and minerals your body needs to function optimally and combat fatigue. Step 4. Take breaks and rest when needed. Overworking yourself can lead to exhaustion. Listen to your body and give yourself permission to rest when you feel tired. Even a short power nap can work wonders for revitalizing your energy levels. Step 5. Practice stress-reducing techniques. Stress can drain your energy reserves. Try relaxation techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, or yoga to calm your mind and rejuvenate your spirit. Step 6. Prioritize sleep. Quality sleep is essential for combating fatigue. Aim for 7-9 hours of uninterrupted sleep each night. Create a relaxing bedtime routine and ensure your sleep environment is comfortable and conducive to rest. By following these simple steps, you can wave goodbye to tiredness and fatigue, and say hello to renewed energy and vitality. Remember, taking care of yourself is the first step towards feeling your best. Here's to a refreshed and energized you.